So you want to know why it's really important to know how to make sauces? It's because it can save the day. If your chicken is dry, if you have too many leftover vegetables in the fridge, they're getting all wilted, they're like, help! You can throw them into a stir fry if you know how to make a really good sauce. So I have something for you that will help you out. I have a link to our Skillshare class number 2. That's right. This is why we've been on a break. We were on a break for so long for YouTube, and now we're finally coming back to life because this Skillshare class was a beast of a project, but a really good one. I am super proud of it and all the work that we did for it because I felt like once I started giving you all these tips for sauces, I couldn't stop. I wanted to give you the 7 essential sauces, which I think are the 7 essential sauces, because they're jumping off points for you to then make them your own. Add a little tweak, add a substitution, and then you can really expand your cooking knowledge. So jumping off of the success of our first Skillshare class, which by the way, was a staff pick, and it was featured in a workshop, we were more than flabbergasted when our second class, which is called Kitchen Confidence, Practical Tips for Cooking Successful Sauces, also became a staff pick. And we're like, oh my gosh, because we didn't even have time to promote it. So all the views and all the students we're getting are organic. We are over 100 students already, and this is before I got to even promote it. So I'm finally sharing it with you guys now. And the cool thing is that you can watch it for free. Like I said, you get 1 month free if you follow this link. We'll leave it for you right here. Screen capture this, pause, also go down to our description box where we'll actually put the clickable link, and you go through there, you sign up. Once again, you do have to put in like all your credit card information just like you're signing up for any kind of membership. But the thing is that if you cancel at any time before your trial is up, there is no charge. Once again, all my friends have done it already, and it's just like a win-win situation because at least for Skillshare, you're getting a taste of what Skillshare is like in hopes in the future that you might stick around or that you'll join in the future, but there's no strings attached. And for us, we get all the benefits of all those minutes watched. Also, if you go through our referral link, that's a direct help to us. We get direct monies by you just clicking a link and by you signing up. So it's a total win-win. If you guys want to support us in any way, that's the way to do it. But yeah, like I really got so excited about this class because it was a staff pick. And let me tell you one more secret. We actually posted this in time for something called a fall challenge. And that's where we all like posted it, and then between this time slot, and they picked a winner every week. And we won best class of the week. So guys, I think it's a good class. It's been doing really well, and I want to share with you guys because you guys are my peeps and you've been wondering where my recipes are. That's because I was like throwing all of it into Skillshare. And unfortunately, whatever's on Skillshare, I cannot duplicate on YouTube and vice versa. I talked about the mother sauces, different techniques. So whatever sauces I taught you, it wasn't just like, bam, bam, here's another sauce, here's another sauce, here's another sauce. It was, these are the sauces you need to know so that you could be smarter when cooking. Once you know how to make this sauce, you'll then be able to make like 5 sauces from that. Without further ado, here is our Skillshare class number 2 trailer. I hope you enjoy it. Do you want to step up your cooking game? Are you looking to add a little excitement to your everyday recipe rotation? Do you want to be able to whip up an easy meal confidently, knowing that it will taste good? Then it's time to master some sauces. Hi, I'm Julie, a trained chef who's passionate about helping beginner cooks gain confidence in the kitchen. I'm a blogger, kitchen coach on YouTube, and an instructor right here on Skillshare. In this class, I talk about why sauce is boss. Then we'll cover various techniques for making 7 superstar sauces that will expand your cooking chops. These sauces are versatile and easy to make. Once you know how to master them, you'll find countless ways to use them. This class is geared towards beginners, but as a trained chef, I picked up some things along the way that even the advanced home cook can benefit from in order to hone their cooking intuition. If you want to be smarter about making sauces and creating dishes that are effortless and successful, this class is for you. My hope is that once you complete this class, you'll be a certified sauce boss. Let's get started together. I'll see you in class. Give this video a thumbs up if you like that trailer. Please give it a thumbs up so I know, and it can help boost this video up in the algorithm. Engage, leave a comment, share it, and also share our referral link to any of your friends. But if you want to help me out, you can also leave me a review. Post a project. That's how Skillshare is. It's completely different from YouTube in the sense that people on Skillshare a little bit serious. Not saying that you guys aren't. I'm sure you are too, especially if you've been following me for a while or you're avid home cooks. But on Skillshare, it's like people are legit serious. They're there to learn. So it's kind of like taking a college course. I break it down slowly into detail, and it's like a lot of information. So if it takes you a month to watch the class, that's totally fine. If you want to rewind and go back and watch different parts, that's even better because that gives us way more minutes watched. Besides all the Skillshare talk, we do have some other things. We're gonna rewind it and go back in time, and pretty soon I'll be posting all these videos that we filmed like months ago that I didn't have time to edit until now. So we had everything from a kids cooking camp that lasted an entire week, to me cooking for a private birthday dinner, to doing Skillshare class, to my parents visiting from out of town, which by the way, which was a shock to me and to everyone else. One video that I posted on TikTok went viral of me and my parents when they were visiting. I was like, whoa, that's crazy. And that's making me feel like I have to get back on TikTok and social, because I've already mentioned that I've been enjoying TikTok. And because I did reach that threshold of 1,000 TikTok followers, okay, also remember I'm new, I'm brand new, and I'm old. So that's a big deal to me. So because I reached over that threshold of 1,000 followers, I can now go live. I feel like TikTok is a good way to kind of like dip my toes into that live pool to see how it goes. So if you catch me and follow me on TikTok, maybe I'll be going live soon. And if I enjoy it, it does well, maybe I'll be going live a lot more often. If you haven't caught our last couple of videos, I did a whole bunch of Halloween stuff and then a couple of vlogs. And hopefully I'll be jumping on that holiday train where I'll be going into Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's and all that jazz, because I really do like the holiday themed kind of videos because it's just a lot of fun. I like to decorate our kitchen different ways and really focus in on the holiday. And once again, please follow me on social, because if I'm not updating you on YouTube as often, I'm definitely updating you on social as much as I can. And remember to push that bell for all notifications so you don't miss anything. Some of you guys are like, oh, you're finally back. I'm like, I've been back for like the last 7 videos. Where were you? I really do enjoy these kinds of like free form talking heads, just shooting the breeze between you and me type of videos a lot. I feel like it allows me to show my personality more, and when I'm cooking, I'm like thinking of so many things, so that doesn't really come out, but I like this connection we have. And for some of you, I'm seeing your comments, like I know who you are, and I feel like we're friends, and when you don't write me a comment, I'm like, where did that person go? So anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our Skillshare class number 2, and I'll see you next time. Bye.